You're here because you keep reaching for comfort like it's your reward, scrolling for hours, consuming brain rot, hitting snooze, and you call it self-care. But let's be real, it's not self-care, it's self-sabotage. You tell yourself you're tired, but you're not. You're stuck. And what you call rest is actually just escape. I was just like you. Comfort had become my addiction. And like any addiction, it was destroying my potential quietly. Because the more you feed it, the weaker you get. But you can change. You weren't born to sit still. You were built to grow. But growth is pain. And every time you avoid pain, you avoid progress. Look around. How many people live soft, forgettable lives, not because they failed, but because they never started? Comfort became their god. And now they bow to fear disguised as peace. Here's what they don't tell you. Comfort kills dreams. And the longer you cling to it, the smaller your life becomes. Want to escape it? Then first, stop lying to yourself. You're not relaxing. You're avoiding. You're not taking a break. You're procrastinating. Comfort feels good now, but it steals everything later. Now here's the truth that changes everything. Your brain isn't the problem, it's doing its job. It's wired to seek safety, not greatness. It craves routine, not risk. But you are not your brain. You are the one who trains it. And right now, every easy choice trains it to settle. So flip the switch. Start choosing discomfort. Do the hard thing first. Stand when you want to sit. Speak when you want to stay silent. Push when it feels useless. Discomfort isn't a threat. It's a signal. It means you're moving. It means you're growing. You don't need motivation. You need to stop negotiating with weakness. Because every time you delay the hard thing, comfort gets stronger and you get smaller. But if you wake up tomorrow and choose discomfort on purpose, you'll feel something shift. Pride, power, momentum. The kind of fire comfort could never give you. This is how you escape. You do what's hard before it becomes regret. So if you're ready to start improving your life and create a future truly worth living for, subscribe, comment, I'm focused, and show to the world and to yourself your newfound resolve to chase change. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.